I think that it's actually better to be a trader than an investor. I made like $2,000 this morning here, and I held the stock for like 20 minutes. I like to say, $2,000 a day keeps a real job away.
I recently sat down with Tim Sykes, America's #1 trader, and discovered how he took $12,000 of bar mitzvah money and turned it into over $1 million. Afterwards, we recorded a separate video about his trading strategies, and I was shocked by what I discovered.
Most people who have just a small account, they look at it like it's a bad thing. And for me, I like trading with a small account because I can make a few $100s or a few $1,000s a day, and then I step away. There's ways where I can make more money, but I might risk losing everything, and I can't risk that. Like, for me, I want to build my account gradually, block by block.
As a former Wall Street trader, I know that making money in the stock market is all about getting access to the right teachers and the right trading strategies. The truth is, anyone can do it.
Correct, and I'm not that special. Like, I'm not that good at math, I'm not that smart. I just recognize inefficiencies, and now I have 20 years of experience. So I have a few key attributes that can help people. Like, it's in my own best interest to train my students to be the best. Like, I want more millionaire students. I have 5. I can train them to say, okay, let me look at the process, let me learn about these inefficiencies, let me learn about these different patterns.
That's why I want you to learn Tim's strategies, so you can have the financial freedom you deserve. So I sat down with him and we recorded a special conversation right here in the studios, where he went specific on how you can make money as quickly as over the weekend. So if you want to see that, click on the link below or go to londonreal.tv/Tim, and I will see you for that conversation. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street, and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.